you ever worked so hard for a test and you gave it your all and you actually did, but when you tell other people, they will tell you that so and so did better than you? Or for content creators out there, have you ever made a video that you gave it your all, you enjoyed the process, you did the best you could, but when you published it, it tanked?
You think it'll go viral?
Nope.
In both those situations, the success is defined by an arbitrary number that we as humans have given value to. So in terms of the score, we as humans have decided that 90% or 99% is only acceptable or is good enough. We as humans have decided that 100,000, 1 million views, 100,000 likes, 1 million likes means that the video has done well, means you did a good video. We have set the standards for what we think that success means. Like, you need to make so many millions in your life, you need to get so many views in your life, top of your class. But does it actually bring you value? Does it contribute to you becoming a happier, better version of yourself? Now, I'm not asking you that question in a sarcastic tone. I'm not saying it does not bring you value. I'm not saying it does not bring you happiness. Yeah, it can bring you happiness. It can bring you value. My question is, does it bring you value? You see, society has set these standards and these generalized standards for everybody. Now, these standards are not going to be applicable for everybody. See, your definition of success and happiness and my definition of success and happiness can vary widely. So how can we set a generalized standard? You need to stop aiming for these standards which may not bring value to your life. You need to think about the things that make you happy, what brings you joy, what you consider success to be, and you need to set your goals based on those standards. I don't care if they say that you need to be making $1 million a year in order to be successful and happy. I mean, a person making half that amount or even quarter that amount, but their life is filled with so much happiness, love, fulfillment, and they are honestly happy with what they are doing, I would argue that they are more successful than the people with more money. So please stop trying to reach these standards set by society. When I say society, I'm talking about people like you and me. You do not have to reach these standards in order to define your happiness or define your success. You know you better than anyone else. You decide what makes you happy, what brings you joy, and you set your standards, your goals, and you work towards that. Also, on the same point, whatever you deem to be successful and whatever you deem to bring you happiness, don't try to push that on other people. Don't try to tell them that, hey, this has made me successful, hey, this has made me happy, you should do this, it will make you happy. That's not the case. You need to understand people are different. Just because it worked for you, it's not going to work for them. So the first point is, do not try to achieve the standards set by somebody else. You would set the standards for yourself and you achieve those goals. And the second point is, you do not set the standards for anybody else. You do not tell anybody that they need to be making so much amount of money in order to be successful or for them to find happiness. For me, the success is in making these videos, not in getting a lot of views, not in getting a lot of comments or likes. It's just that the process of making is what gives me more happiness. So that is my definition of success. So let others define their own definition of success, and you define what success means to you and what brings you happiness, and you set the standards and the goals based on that. That's it for today's episode. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.